Here's how to fix the issue of Free Fire game getting stuck on the Garena logo screen on your Android device. First of all, you need to go ahead and check for updates to the Free Fire application in the Google Play Store. If there are no updates available, you need to go ahead and try following the steps to remove the software box. So go ahead, open the phone settings, or you can directly tap and hold onto the Free Fire application. Tap on the eye icon in the top to go to App Info. Then after, scroll down and go to Storage, click on Clear Cache, and also click on Clear Data. Now come back, try for stopping this application and re-enable it again. Also go to the permissions and make sure that you've given all the permissions to this app, and go to battery and set it to optimized or unrestricted. Then after, come back and open your settings. Then search for developer options. Open the developer options and find graphic driver performance. Select graphic driver, and from here find the Free Fire application and set it to system graphic driver. Now go ahead and open the Free Fire application, see if it works. If not, simply go ahead and tap and hold onto this application, tap on uninstall, tap on OK to confirm, and once it has been uninstalled from your device, open your Play Store or App Store according to your device, and then search for Garena Free Fire, and then simply go ahead and install it again. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.